So I'm excited about today's video. I am jumping on the little bandwagon of DTFs. It's gonna be my first time trying this. I found this kit on Amazon and it's pretty cool. So this kit was fairly inexpensive. I'll have it linked down below for you. If you ever wonder about anything that I use in my videos, I do have a Amazon storefront and I usually will have everything linked in the description. So check that out. But this kit is pretty cool. Let me show it to you. It literally has everything you would need to test this out. So let's open it together. So inside the box, it has instructions on how to do every single step. It has picture instructions, which is great. We're going to be doing this together. We're new to this together. So it comes with blanks for you to try this on. So there's two coasters. They're like neoprene. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know how you pronounce it. Two coasters. It comes with heat tape. It comes with the DTF powder. And this is a 8.82 ounce or 250 grams of it. It comes with a tote bag. And it comes with a small Teflon sheet. And then your DTF transfer films. And it says it works on denim jackets, t-shirts, coasters, canvas bags, shoes, pillows, cups. You can do this on cups. So I'm really excited to try this out. So many people are doing this and I was really curious to see if it works or like how it works. So I'm excited to try this out. This is going to be my honest opinion. You're going to be lost with me. We're going to figure it out together. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do mostly sublimation and sewing videos, Cricut videos here and there. If any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family. So we're going to start off by trying to figure out how to print this. So I think this is meant more for a DTF printer, but we don't have that. But I've seen people use sublimation printers for this. So we're going to see if that works. So this transfer sheet has a more matted side and a shiny side. So the matted side is the print side. I've seen people take a piece of paper, just a copy paper, and then they tape the transfer sheet to it so that it can go through the printer much better. So that's what I'm gonna do. So now I'm gonna go to my computer and just print my design like I would normally print it with my Sawgrass print manager. I wanna make sure my design is mirrored. And then I'm just going to print that. I'm gonna heat this up to 284. Okay, while that's heating up, I'm gonna put that to the side. We wanna get our powder really quickly and we wanna pour it on and then shake it. You want the powder to evenly coat it. So you want every part of your design to be coated by this. And then once it is coated, we're gonna pour the excess back into the bag. And then we wanna take our easy press and we're gonna flip it over. And when we have it set again, I have mine set at 285. And then I'm gonna have heat gloves just in case. We're going to take it off this other part and we're gonna put it on here for 180 seconds. And this is just supposed to melt the powder onto it. So I'm gonna separate mine because I did one for the coaster and then one for the tote bag. So you want to just put it on here, it seems like, for 180 seconds. And as it's melting, it's becoming more vibrant because when you first print it out, it almost looks like not dry and just weird. So now I'm gonna take that off and set that to the side while I do the exact same thing for the small one. This one's gonna be for the coaster. That's so beautiful. It's so cool how it's like so dull at first and just looks so like splotchy. But once it like you start applying the heat, it just looks so cool and so much more vibrant. I love that. So now we're gonna change our temperature to 302. Which obviously mine doesn't have, so I guess I'll do 300. And then time is gonna be about 10 to 15 seconds. So we're gonna get our coaster. I'm gonna lint roll it. And we're gonna pre-press this. So we're gonna get our Teflon sheet and we're just gonna pre-press it for 2 to 5 seconds. So now we're gonna get our design, and for this one, I'm just using the small design. And so you're gonna flip it over. So you should be seeing the shiny side. You're gonna stick it down. And you're gonna take your heat tape. I'm just gonna use my heat tape that I already have on my dispenser. You're just gonna tape that down. So once we have that taped down, it says that we're going to put the Teflon paper on top. And then we're gonna press for 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, so we're gonna lift this up. It doesn't say to wait, it just says to peel it off. So we're gonna peel it off. I did not think it was gonna work. Look at that. That is so cool. That is so cool. Okay, now we're gonna set our easy press to 325 degrees, and then we're gonna press for 10 to 20 seconds. Definitely feels like there's something on there, but it's not like a thick vinyl feeling. And I mostly only feel it like right here in this big area. So now we're gonna take a Teflon sheet. Again, our easy press is set at 325 degrees, and we're gonna press for 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, now that we know this one works, now I feel more confident enough to try the tote bag. Again, we're going to just do this process all over again. I feel like this is such a cool process. I have to play around with it a little more, but it is such a cool process. The coaster turned out beautifully. Like now that it's cooled down and everything, like it literally just feels like it's one with it. At first it felt like you could feel like if it was vinyl almost, but now you can't really feel it. The tote bag, I don't know if you've done DTF before, let me know. I don't know if it's because I was slowly peeling it. I needed to do like one smooth swipe, but it's still cute. I just need to figure this out a little more, because you can see that in the pink and the purple, it kind of just, I mean, it makes it have a little boho vibe to it, but the yellow came out good. I don't know, I just need to figure out that part a little more. It's literally just that, because all the flowers turned out good. It's still cute. Like, I like this process a lot. I just need to play around with it a little more, but love how it turned out. I think this is an awesome kit, especially if you're just learning like me. You have everything you need. There's 20, I don't think I mentioned this before, but there's 20 DTF transfers. That powder is gonna last you a really long time. I know it looks like a small bag, but it's gonna last you a really long time, and you can put the powder back in there. Like, it's not like you just dump it out onto your paper and then, you know, you throw it out. Like, you can dump it back into the bag, so it's gonna last you a long time. Comes with 2 coasters, the canvas bag, the Teflon sheet, heat resistant tape, 2 rows of that. So awesome kit. I'm gonna have this link down below. It's pretty affordable. I got it on sale. I don't know if it's on sale anymore, but I'll have it linked down below because I think it was a good little kit to get started. Again, the coaster turned out, I think this is such a cool process. So I'm gonna have to play around with it a little more. Like, it's still really cute. I just have to just learn a little bit more. So once I figure it all out, there'll be an actual tutorial video, but it's so cool. Like, I love it. So again, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for supporting me. I'll see you in my next video. There'll be lots of videos coming, and I am working on a membership, and This is something that I really am going to be pouring my heart out into. I want it to be, I'll be making a video explaining everything, but I promise that it's going to be worth your money, and it's going to be, there's going to be a lot of resources in there. So keep your eye out for that. Again, thank you guys for supporting my channel. Subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.